Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn off the snow effect in Heartopia. In Heartopia, when it rains or like after rains, you might see this snow-like visual effect on your screen like this. This happens because we're currently in the winter season event, and maybe for some players, this effect can be a bit distracting. But don't worry, turning it off is super easy. First, just open settings by tap on your Smartboard, this one, and then just go to settings like this, and then after that just go to graphic, this one, and then just scroll down, and on the advanced effects, on the snow effects, just turn it off like this. And when you go back, the snow is gone. And okay, maybe that's it. The snow effect will disappear like this, and your screen will look much cleaner. And okay, if this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.